Hello, my name is Susmitha Siddi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is my birthday, that is 3rd of November, and I want my base to look flawless and my makeup to look very beautiful. So I'm gonna make a video on this. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with skincare. I'm taking this Chia Seed Advanced Vitamin B12 toner, which makes my pores tight and also give me that beautiful glow on my face, and I'm applying it thrice. Now I'm taking this Chia Seed Advanced Vitamin B12 Hydro Lotion, which has a very nice consistency which can be put under a foundation, and I like this because it gives me that beautiful glow on my face. And then here comes the sunscreen. I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunblock SPF 50 plus, and sunscreen is very important when you go outside in daylight. Now makeup. I'm gonna start off with foundation. This is my favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. I'm gonna apply a little dots and then I'll blend it with a beauty blender, which is a wet sponge. This foundation blends very seamlessly and it gives me that beautiful flawless base, and also I applied only one layer because I don't want extra thickest layer of foundation. Next I'm gonna apply a orange corrector, which I took from the NYX Conceal Correct and Contour palette. Just gonna apply under my eyes, and then I'll use a concealer to cover that under eye area. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me shade Caramel concealer to cover my under eye area. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Medium. So I'm gonna highlight my face under my eye area and also my nose. I'm not highlighting on my forehead because I tend to get sweaty and also it doesn't look good. So I'm just blending it, and if you have any powder like I have, then you can just make your under eye area look matte. I'm taking this contour shade from NYX Conceal Correct and Contour palette and just mixing those two because I find that dark brown is very dark for contouring. So I mixed those two shades and I contoured. Now I'm using this Love Color Bar brush, which is a contouring brush, and it's very easy to use. So I think you need this brush, guys. It's very nice. Now for blush, I'm using this Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 42. So just I'm blending it with beauty blender, and if you think that is too much, then you can use your compact powder to set that blush. Next, using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in the shade black, and I'm just drawing thin lines and brushing it over. Now to make my eyebrows look perfect, I am taking some concealer onto a thin brush and drawing to the outer edges of my eyebrow to make those look perfect. After that, I'm blending my concealer. Now I'm warming up my eyelid area by priming it with a concealer to make my eyes ready for eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution X Tammy Tropical palette and taking the transition shade onto the crease. Now taking this Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright and Rich in color, I'm putting that dark color onto eyelid area. Now taking this Faces Canada eyeliner, just drawing a thin line and I'll put on my falsies. Highlighting part, I'm taking this Revolution blush palette and highlighting my cheekbones. Now comes everyone's favorite part, that is lipstick. I'm using this MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick in the shade Burning Love, and this is my favorite formulation and color. I'll do my hair and dressing and I'll come back. Dress is from H&M.
If you like this video, please do give a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you'll get notified when I post videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.